Hey everybody, I just pulled in to camp, and the second I put my kickstand down, this little guy came to visit me. Let me switch to that footage. But I wanted to take a second to show you where I'm at and what you can do with the KLX300. So I'm here at Bartlett Lake, and I'm an hour and a half from my house. Probably about 30 or 45 minutes outside of the end of Scottsdale. And I rode with everything I'm gonna need for a 2-day trip. So let me show you everything I brought with me. In the big bag, I have my sleeping roll, Gatorades, food. This is all my camping gear. Of course, a gallon of water. This side has my toolkit, so that'll stay on the bike for the whole weekend. Of course, my lid. I have a 2-gallon Camel Hump of fuel. This side has my day trip kit, chair, a little grill so I can cook when I have lunch, and then of course my backpack cooler. So my tent is a nature hike. They have this tent in a couple different versions. The difference being the fly. I believe this one has a polyester fly, so it's heavier but cheaper. But I think I got it for like 75 bucks. Let me show you my sleep system. So first I have the Climate air pad. I believe that has a R value of 1.5. And then I'm just using a Coleman sleeping bag with an iClimb mummy bag as a liner. I'm in Phoenix and it's February, so I normally don't need a heavy sleeping system, but it's gonna be like 40 degrees tonight, which is cold for me. I know all the guys in Colorado and Utah are gonna call me a wimp. So I'm double bagging it, because it turns out double bagging is actually still cheaper than buying a $500 bag from REI. And then I've got the inflatable pillows that latch onto the air pad, and I'm gonna let this loft and I should be cozy tonight. The only other things I brought are one bag of clothing, and this is my jacket that's also lofting, and that's it. My chair is probably my most expensive thing. It is the REI. You know, I weigh almost 300 pounds, so I really need it to be that 70-75 aluminum. And then I carry a little table, which is definitely nice to have, not a need to have. My burner, which is the $35 Amazon one, BRS, I believe. A Stanley cup and a coffee cup. They sell these fancy spoons too on Amazon for like 50 bucks. Went to Walmart and got a teaspoon for 75 cents. All right, fam, see you next time.